Namaskar. Our today's topic for study is adductor compartment of thigh. Adductor compartment of thigh has got 5 muscles. First, we will study about pectineus muscle. Pectineus muscle is quadrilateral muscle and it takes origin from pecten pubis and pectineal surface of superior ramus of pubis. Here you can see this is pectineus muscle. This is site of origin. And inferiorly it inserted at the line extending from lesser trochanter to upper part of linea aspera. Now next muscle is adductor longus muscle. Adductor longus muscle is a triangular muscle and it takes origin from anterior surface of pubis in the angle between pubic symphysis and pubic crest. Adductor longus muscle from medial border and floor of femoral triangle, and here you can see this is site of origin and here it inserted at linea aspera in middle 1/3 part of shaft of femur. Now next muscle is adductor brevis muscle. Adductor brevis muscle lies behind the adductor longus muscle. This is pectineus muscle. This is adductor longus muscle. And behind adductor longus muscle, this is adductor brevis muscle. Adductor brevis muscle takes origin from anterior surface of pubis and outer surface of ischiopubic ramus. Here you can see the origin of adductor brevis muscle and it inserted at the line extending from lesser trochanter to upper part of linea aspera. You can see the insertion of adductor brevis muscle. Now next muscle is adductor magnus muscle. This muscle lies behind adductor brevis muscle. This is largest muscle of adductor compartment of thigh and it takes origin from inferior lateral part of ischial tuberosity and ischiopubic ramus. This muscle is inserted at medial margin of gluteal tuberosity, linea aspera, medial supracondylar line and adductor tubercle. Next muscle is Gracilis muscle. Gracilis muscle takes origin from medial margin of pubis and ischiopubic ramus. This muscle here inserted at the upper part of medial surface of tibia between sartorius and semitendinosus muscle. Now no supply of muscles. Here you can see this is obturator nerve. An obturator nerve arises from lumbar plexus, runs downward here and it enters in thigh by passing through foramen and this foramen is called obturator foramen. In the obturator foramen it divides into two branches. This is anterior branch and this is posterior branch. Anterior branch gives nerve supply to pectineus muscles. This is adductor longus muscle and it gives nerve supply to adductor longus muscle and then this is adductor brevis muscle and anterior division of obturator nerve gives nerve supply to pectineus muscle, adductor longus muscle and adductor brevis muscle. It also gives nerve supply to gracilis muscle. Here you can see this is posterior division of obturator nerve. It pierces muscle. This muscle is called obturator externus muscle and it gives nerve supply to adductor magnus muscle. Sometime posterior division of obturator nerve gives nerve supply to adductor brevis muscle if it is not supplied by anterior division of obturator nerve. Now action of muscle. Adduction at hip joint. Adduction at hip joint. Thank you for watching my video.